So recently after banning TikTok in India, mixed reaction came after this decision. I also agree that people were making garbage content on TikTok.
Hey. Un elefante muy elegante, la trompa muy larga, la trompa gigante. जी दे तो दिखा के मैंने शेर भेजते हैं, जाने भी मैं यार तेरा जानी।
ओ गोरी तोरे होठ लाल, आई के काजल करेला कमाल।
And children and youngsters were spending so much precious time of them on that garbage app. So from this point of view, it was good that TikTok was banned. Lots of YouTubers gave their reaction on TikTok ban. All of them were happy. But the YouTuber named Technical Guruji was so much happy, or you can say ultra happy. मतलब खुशी देख रहे हो गुरुजी की? If you watch his videos from past couple of months, in his every video he mentioned TikTok app. He created back-to-back videos on TikTok app. But why he was so excited and happy? And when all it started, this whole drama started couple of months ago when a TikToker named Amit Siddiqui posted an Instagram video against YouTubers. So he mentioned those famous YouTubers in his video and those YouTubers got angry. And here started a YouTube versus TikTok war. Sorry, this YouTube versus TikTok war. Then one of the YouTubers named Carrie Minati made a roast video on TikTok and it was a massive hit. But his video was banned by YouTube for abusive language used by Carrie Minati. Many YouTubers supported Carrie Minati and Technical Guruji took that incident as an opportunity. So our Technical Guruji started mentioning TikTok in all his videos. I mean all of them. Sometimes he motivated people to give 1-star rating to TikTok on Play Store and sometimes demanded ban on TikTok. And literally first he installed TikTok in all his 16 phones, then created a video of uninstalling TikTok app from those 16 phones. And the fun part was that the most of the phones were Chinese on his table.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है।
So there may be two conditions. First, that he already had TikTok in all his phones. It means that he was a TikTok fan. And in the second condition, if his phones didn't have TikTok already, if he installed them just to make this video, then it is a total drama. In both the cases, he proved himself Fuddu. He was happy and creating back-to-back videos on TikTok topic. People were already furious on China because of spread of coronavirus from China. And then one day, a clash of Indian and Chinese soldiers happened on Indian-China border and 20 soldiers of India got martyred. As in reaction, India banned 59 Chinese apps including TikTok for security reasons. And our Technical Guruji was on 7th sky after Indian government took this decision like he found the gold mine. He posted one more Fuddu video on TikTok ban. He literally printed icons of 59 Chinese apps in his printer and he spreaded those papers outside his house. Then he took a broom and collected all those papers in a dustpan. Then he threw them in a dustbin. Really, Technical Guruji? Was this drama required? If it was a garbage, why you printed all those icons in your printer? With 18 million subscribers, it doesn't suit you to do such silly things. He pretends that he had Chinese products, but at the same time makes videos on Chinese phones. If you go to his YouTube channel and search Chinese brands, you will find hundreds of videos on Chinese brands. Hit Ctrl F and type Chinese brands like Redmi, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Huawei, Coolpad, MI, and you name it. He made thousands of videos on Chinese phone brands. He posted 3,100 videos on YouTube, out of which 50% made on Chinese products. So his 50% career is made by reviewing Chinese phones and other techs, and made lot of money, you know. By leaving the hypocrisy on Chinese products, he should be grateful for what he got by making reviews of Chinese phones and other products. Clearly, he is taking advantage of India-China tension. That's all guys. What do you think about this topic? Tell me in comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel and enjoy the life.